What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now the OnePlus 9 RT is officially official and it's in China. And here's every single upgrade which you need to know about the OnePlus 9 RT and whether you should wait for the smartphone to launch in India or in the global market. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Let's get started. Well, the OnePlus 9 RT is definitely not just a T upgrade from the regular previous OnePlus's phones such as the OnePlus 8T, and this time the OnePlus 9 RT comes with a slightly different approach. Now talking about the display of this smartphone, then it comes with a 6.62 inch of a display which is slightly larger than the OnePlus 9 and the 9R which starts at 6.55 inch of display, and this time it's a Samsung E4 AMOLED display with a resolution of Full HD+. The display also supports the HDR10+ content and it supports P3 color modes. Now on the high refresh rate, it comes with a 120 Hz of high refresh rate, plus you also get a 600 Hz of touch sampling rate for instant reactions. Now other game related features which you get inside this phone is that it comes with a 4D haptic feedback. And it also has a 3 Wi-Fi antennas positioned so you don't get a interrupted positioning while using the phone. On the processor side, it's the Snapdragon 888 and it's configured with the 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and alongside you will be getting 128 or 256 GB of storage. And the storage is of UFS 3.1 and you will get a faster storage too. Now, not only that, there were been talks about that the cooling issues with the OnePlus 9 series or even overall with the Snapdragon 888, but this time OnePlus has increased its space cooling by the 59% and there is an increase in heat dissipation by up to 20%. Now, this should perform even better while you are gaming at the peak of performance of the processor. Now talking about the camera, the 9RT supports a quite unique camera setup which is the elements from the OnePlus 9R and the OnePlus 9 series, and it comes with a 50 megapixels of a primary sensor of a Sony IMX 766 as the OnePlus 9 Pro series, and you also get this up to a 4K at 60 FPS with this phone, and you also get the OIS stabilization too. Ultra-wide camera is of 16 megapixels, and not only that, you also get a 2 megapixel of a macro camera here, which is just for the numbers as we all know. Whereas for the selfie lovers, it comes with a 16 megapixel IMX 471 sensor and it can record up to 1080p at 30 FPS with EIS. Now talking about the battery of this smartphone, then it comes with a 4500 mAh battery and it can charge your smartphone for up to 65 watts of super fast charging. Especially it's a 65T watt charging, so you will be getting a USB-C port and it's a USB 2.0 data transfer. So if you are someone who is looking for the external devices like the monitor, then it's a slower one when compared to the next generations. Now the fingerprint is an in-display sensor. You also get a stereo speakers with a Dolby Atmos support. It's a 5G smartphones with the 2 SIM cards, and you also get a Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. Now the OnePlus 9 RT is available for the pre-orders in China right now and it will be shipping from the 19th of this October, and the price for the OnePlus 9 RT starts as 3,300 yuan in China, and for the international it has not been revealed officially when it will be launching. But we can expect this pricing to be a very fair compared to the original OnePlus 9 pricing in China. It's for 3,800 yuan and we can expect this phone to be launching in India around 40 to 45,000 compared to the earlier pricing. The phone is available in black, silver and blue, and the OnePlus 9 RT runs on the ColorOS version of Android 11 which the earlier OnePlus 9 series were running to. So what do you think about this OnePlus 9 RT? Is it really a worthy upgrade about the OnePlus 9 RT, or you should wait for the another smartphone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.